crazy. Today, before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe. So, I just got back from Walmart, and I got a Poppet and noodles. I want to know if they are worth it. First, I'm gonna try this Poppet. It is ORB Sensory Bubble Popper, and it is a pineapple. Okay, so, oh my goodness, it's so cute. Okay, I give this Poppet a 10 out of 10. It's perfect. Now let's try the noodles. Here it is. Oh, it comes with one. But it's so satisfying. And I love these little thingies on there. And it's a unicorn. Super cute. And you can make it a bracelet. I'll show you how you do that. Just like that. It's a cute little bracelet unicorn. Well, that's the end of this video. Well, I give this a 7 out of 10. But only because it's just a noodle. But I love it still. That's it in this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace out.